The Python ones, I think, all have like .py in their names, or
Okay, I found one. It's called Patchme.py.
Patchme.
It's 100 points.
It's 100 points. Okay, can you get this flag? Run this Python program in the same directory as this encrypted flag. Let's zero this out.
Reverse category is reverse engineering.
This one is reverse engineering Patchme. So first of all, it's going to save me to the patchme.py. Did I just read? I do .py. Excellent. That's going to really confuse my compilers later. As this encrypted flag, let's have a look at this encrypted flag in patchme.py. Same folder, I think. That didn't download into the same folder, but you know, just for giggles. Don't want that open. So patchme.py. Oh yes, beautiful, beautiful bit of Python already, as we can see here. This Python one's taken me all the 20 seconds to hack here, because it tells us what the flag is. It's also using some weird XOR thing on the function. So it's checking that our password actually is the inputted password, which is incredibly boring. And then it's decoding it, and it's decoding it with some secret in there. So we actually do need that file in the right folder. And I say angrily that my computer has not put it in the right folder. So I'm just going to put that in the right folder there. There we go. So the password here should be, if we go into, if we actually run this Python patchmeflag.py, just check this code doesn't do anything malicious, and it's not executing any code here. This is we could just take this function and run it on the contents of the file, but we're going to run that. And the password for this one is make this window the same size. AK98 minus equals 90 ADFJ FJ HGJ321. Oh, he's got a good password. Sleuth, to me vowels, 9000. That is the flag right there. Job done.
Wow.
100 points, which also means I can go over here and change this to 100. And we have points.
Really?
Yeah, that was, and in fact that wasn't even. But so let's say this password was better, right? What we can actually do is we can go to our local host, CTF Fun, make a new Python 3.
Like
Python 3
that was really obvious.
Right, but it's easier than that, because even if this password was encrypted, so let's say they had an encrypted password here, because they've given us the decryption function, we can just grab that decryption function here. The key is utilitarian. So it's not obvious, because some people think the password's utilitarian.
That's the hash for the encryption.
That was the password for the decryption, or the XOR for the decryption. It wasn't that hard. So what we can now do is actually grab that line there as well. And in fact, this is not, if I just do pwd here, just to grab my folder name, hard code that in there, slash there. What we can now do is we can just do that line there, and just do print. Oh, I can't spell decryption. There you go. So that does it without even looking at the, you know, even if this was encrypted, that was easy. As I say, that's a skill I have. So that was like, yeah, that was a bit. 100 points. There you go. 100 points on the board.